regalo ang kanyang first birthday candle. Sabay-sabay tayong magdilaw. Ready in 1, 2, 3, blow the candle! Yeah! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, sabi to make this memorable. Papakita natin yung birthday wish ng kanyang mommy at daddy. Start muna tayo kay Mami. Mami ko.
Daddy na lang para iyak.
Ayan, so ito yung wish na